And if you have a son that likes cowboy boots, they fit right on the top. So I just built this shoe rack and it was a little bit more difficult to assemble it than I had anticipated. But that's only because I had to do some trial and error. They do give you a really cool mallet tool, but you should only use the mallet tool when you're putting the top piece on. It's much easier to snap the pieces in together using your hands at first, and I'll show you that in just a minute. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Let's see what's in the box. There's something right here. Let's take that out first. It's a little mallet. Oh my goodness, that's really cool. If it comes with a tool. Some assembly is required. Inside the box, you're going to have all the pieces to put this together, the instruction manual, as well as a mallet, which I will be keeping forever because this is such a handy little tool. Now, to build this, essentially, you're going to put 2 side pieces on, as well as the back. Pro tip, just push the side pieces in using your hands, as well as the back one. When it comes to putting the top on, however, the mallet works lovely. Now, to secure the 2 sides together, they don't give you any tool for this, but if you push down on this little U here, this little U-shaped thing, it's just held in there by 3 little pieces of plastic. Whoops. Okay. This is what you're going to use. Those little U's are what you're going to use to secure it together. Right here. And that holds them together. I don't know about you, but this is typically what our kitchen looks like because everyone throws their shoes everywhere, including me. I'm not going to put the blame on everybody if I'm not going to put the blame on myself. So let's organize them. Those fit really nicely right there. Those also fit really nicely right there. Those also fit really nicely. Will it fit the Crocs? Oh my goodness, it fits the Crocs.